my fridge stopped working, and I read that if you cleaned the fan, it might work. So that's what I did. I tried cleaning it. At this point, I really did not want to remove any wires or the actual motor with the fan because, well, I don't want to mess it up even more. So I tried my very best to clean it like this. At this point, the kids have lost all the attachments to the vacuum. So I had to clean it this way without any attachments. I thought it would work, but it didn't. Now I need to sell all Pokemon.